See, syllabus to committee as equals committee as equal, definitely we can predict one pretty corporate key book in a. But basically, CSAT when it comes to the position, not only in NBC, alak CCNDB, the position is very important as it. So let's hope for the best. Nailibi definitely meant to the Iule, right? So we can't even case also. Muy set করে দিছি বলি তো definitely muy খুব দাঁড়া লাগে right muy set করে নাই anyway being an aspirant right uh, let's be prepared kila topic alibi let's be prepared that's it so let's try with one data interpretation also data interpretation day it's not only about pie chart and itia mo don gi digado this is table chart right so data interpretation though it's not only about pie chart and double chart. We have line chart also. We have bar chart. We have mixed chart. It always opposite. So one ini parada, alright? Parada, peluk kulit ayo. Nih. So today is right. Okay. So we'll discuss this data interpretation. To one give me peluk tips and tricks di umum jadi, right? Kina na questions saya pun jane, kina set kuna saya jane. Maybe peluk tips and tricks. Usually though, definitely exam them day. This would be very helpful. Okay. Now yesterday we did pie chart law creation, right? So Ajido, let's try with Temple. Temple law. Let's give it a try. So I believe you're ready for tonight session. Okay. Chalo. Now here we have sources of income as a right. Okay. Now do see one as now once you become an ESC, right? Or maybe TSP, will be PTO, will be or any third gazetted officer or maybe second class gazetted officer will be one salary takibo, bonus takibo, one overtime kuridala salary dibo, which might not work in here for our government. Will be alak to overtime la salary be de error be I right salte ekbar really to buy and miscellaneous ito anay. So ito sop milay to ito sop to income ito. Right. 이번에 단 그 specific দিন আছে salary দিন আছে bonus দিন আছে overtime দিন আছে error দিন আছে miscellaneous দিন আছে this is for person A now we have 5 person A B C D E আছে now A laga salary do 400 আছে bonus to 800 আছে sorry that's too much 80 right overtime is 180 error to 200 paise dai miscellaneous to 40 আছে overall milena taila income to 900 লাগিছে so similar with the rest of the people also P lagabi ini আছে C lagabi ini আছে right D lagabi ini আছে E lagabi ini আছে now here one question number one there cute is who among the following employees earns maximum bonus in comparison to his total income right তো ಇದು কিনা জানিব বলিতো true percentage pa জানিব Now this means what? Bonus to every person A, B, C, D, E. Every person has different bonus, right? Or the ATSA. A la ATSA. We're talking about this bonus, right? A la ATSA, D la ATSA. Saulido, pusado semi baje. But con maximum base ina kwazulido 180 saina 150 ase to C ase guna tik nugure. Because question di kwado in comparison to his total income. So total income divi compare ko lagi do. Alright, now total income is about 900. So let's check for A. A de taila punas to 80 paise. If we compare with his total income means taila total income to 900 tagishna 9 into 100. B 40 ase divided by 500 into 100. Alright. In a kurule I will give you another smart approaches also. For C though, taila punas to 150 ase and total is 1500 into 100 ase. D though we have 80 by 700 into 100 ase. E will be 100 divided by 1000 into 100 ase nana. Alright. Now, to want to do Katina, you will get in terms of person. All right. Kativi, you will get. See, yade 00 katile 5, 8 times. That means that 8% bonus paise. If we compare with his total income. Any other. But do not waste your time like this, right? Save some time. Now, one percentage koradamde. Percentage koradamde moi itu digado ini diga noire. See. A laga total income do 900 ase. To itu 100% assume kuru na nai. Yes. Taila 10% to ki ase. 90 wana nai, 90.0 wana nai. To tai error kiman baje? 80 baje. 10% do 90 ase. That means less than 10% as in a ko paro na nai. Yes. So let's yede panstum de if there is anyone who gets 10% or more than 10% pamano dagilito, definitely utu manohe maximum bonus comparing with his total income mogona nai. So let's keep in mind that taila bonus to 80 class 80 class bonus paije. So taila bonus to A lagado less than 10% mogona nai. So ini mundia rakilogi. Right. Next one do B lagado. B lagado 8% ina paije. Kina na paije do. Ulido taila total income to kiman ase 500 ase. We assume it as 100% on. That means taila 10% do 50 una nai. Taila bonus was what? 40 dagishina nai. 40 dagishi. So it will be less than 10% as nai. You do 50 to 10% as a tai 40 club. That means less than 40%. Sorry, less than 10%. Let's take the other one. C lagado. C lagado. 1500 to 100% as a. Yes. 10% kiman ho? 150 wala na. Total la punas pigimon ba siya? 150 pa ase. That means so far A, B, C majority of C is leading or no? Yes, C is leading. Kile manilo C do tai 150 paise. Aro 10% to 150 ase to. That means tai C do lead kore ase. Let's check D also. So if there's anyone who crosses 10 more than 10%, then that person might be the answer. Mo na do tai ho pare. right? Only one first check result. D la to kima baisi uli to 700 to total income ase. Tai itu 100% hobo na nai. Tai la 10% to kiman ase? 70 ase noe. Yes. Tai la bonus kiman baise? 80% na ne bonus to. That means mugan exact person to na jane. Olivi mugan na jane livi ikun noi do. Kile manale options de kun manu la kun employee la ase tai la bisawar lagibo. So can we say out of A, B, C, or D, majority do D leading as na nai. Kile manalo D do 10% to 70 ase. Olivi tai la bonus to 80 baisi do, which is what more than the 10%. So definitely it will fall under what? Upward. 10% upward. The Q. Yes. Let's check E also. EB clear ase. Let's check. EB 1000 do 100% assume question. Yes. Now 10% kiman ase? 100 ase. So tala bonus kiman baje? Bonus P 100 ase no 100 ase. So EB 10% kala pa ase na nai. So if we compare everyone, we can say D gets the maximum bonus. If we compare with the total income ase na nai. Itu bujese na nai. So answer will be what? D ho. To one number ekla compare kumana to you can find here. Cancel kurubi pisarbi. A B E D muitiala de you can find individually. Only to kuram de you might waste more time. Then itula moidia tikalado it will fast follow kurbo de. And it will be she smart processing. Did you get this one? All right. Okay. So we know now. Answer is what? DSA. Next question to Q DSA. Next question to the income from overtime is what percent of the income from error in the case of employee A? Employee A lagade. Employee A do kuna sigurito see this one. This is employee A. Tyler overtime. Overtime X is what percent of Y positive. So overtime kiman ase 180 ase. So here we can say Tyler overtime do 180 ase divided by error kiman ase 200 ase na nai. Percent ase in 200 hobo na nai. See 180 overtime Tyler error do 200 ase na nai. So X is what percent of Y? Error lao ase of error. Right. That means 200 to 180 or 180 percent of this will multiply with 100. Now, right away, we can say that it's 90% anyway. All right. KTB 290 times. So 90% go per A will be the answer. Will be doing that. Right. You can even say kila value say we are assuming it as 100%. To opore 180 say kiman bra 200 to 20 ra 9 that means 20 is what percent of 200? 10% ase. That means 10% per 100 to then it will be 90 or no? In every ko. Okay. Chalo. Next one. Next one is how many employees have their salary less than 3 times income from bonus? Okay. So yeah, the salary we will never assume 900, 500, 1,500, 700 in a assume no rule. right? Asul salary to কি আছে বুলি তো ইতি আছে না A লাও তো কিমান আছে 400 আছে B লা কিমান আছে 200 আছে C লাগা 700 আছে itu ani আছে so 3 times of bonus তাইলা bonus তো 3 times আছে বুলি তো how many people have the salary less than তো তাইলা salary less হবো লাগে so let's take A laga bonus is what 80 then 80 into 3 80 into 3 will give us what 240 salary more আছে না that means A don't know let's check B B though salary to 200 আছে bonus to 40 আছে 3 times is what 120 আছে now again salary is more or no আৰু salary less kanhe count grow like one to B be no let's talk about C C though salary 700 আছে 150 pa আছে তাই bonus to 150 3 times is what 450 again C also 9 D D though 300 আছে তাইলা bonus to 80 আছে yes so 83 times is what 240 আছে না নাই yes 83 times is 240 that means again salary is more or no so DB 9 E though bonus is 100 3 times is what 300 Olivi tala salary to 400 that means more or no so couldn't be 9 yes question bro hudia do mangya do couldn't be 9 way that means yade option day 0 da gishilu do 0 di tik kuru Olivi yade 1 2 4 3 3 as that means none of these two answerable all right next one who among the following employee has maximum percentage of his salary out of the total income right same thing salary divided by total income into 100 or more argue shigan nishina question number 1 the shigan nishina can you give it a try I'll give you 1 minute right 1 minute also too much bishes let's see question the bribi question ki hote ase who among the following employees that means A B C D E has maximum percentage of his salary out of the total income all right this means what salary to A level 400 pashe tala total income to kiman ase 900 to answer kun lao yeah give me the answer C E all right C acha all right so it's like election day manu pasun jaise A to rejected B also rejected D also rejected and people are favoring C and E yeah guessing with them okay okay next let's check so A is what 400 daila total do kiman ase 900 ase okay so 900 to 100% 10% is what 10% is 90 right 100% ase 900 to half will be what 450 so half means what 50% that means 40% is sorry 50% is 450 will be A gets salary 400 that means less than 50% all right next one B B is 500 ase and 500 is 100% assume kurili that means half of it will give us 50% that means 500 half is 250 again B also getting less than 50% all right 700 ase 1500 আছে 1500 আছে গুলি তো half করলে 50% হবো yes that means 750 now C is what 700 pa আছে okay now again 300 আছে D লাগা তো total is what 700 50% কিমান হবো 350 আছে alright okay chalo নাই তো ইনে assume কৰিছিলো তো I think it's a bit complicated একো নহয় হোতাই তো ইটোলাই approaches তো মন কৰিবলৈ নহয় right so we have to do it by any means let's check A right question number 4 question number 4 like A do 400 আছে and 900 আছে into 100 will cancel yes we know 4.9 into 100 কিমান আছে can we say 44.44% or no because 1 by 9 though we know it's 11.11% or no we know this one one of first class right next one for A this is for A let's check for B got how much salary was 200 and 500 so 200 থাকিছে আৰু তাই 500 থাকিছে into 100 that means 1 to cancel 1 to cancel 2 by 5 so fraction 2 by 5 to কিমান আছে 40% হ'ব না নাই because fraction of 1 by 5 is 20% so 2 by 5 means 40% হ'ব 40% আছে right মই ইনে কইলিবি তোমাক নবুজে বলি তো you can cancel it right you can do the division 400 divided by 9 you will get 44.44 200 by 5 will give us 40% right C day 700 or 1500 আছে 700 1500 into 100 1212 all right so this is what 5 3 times 5 20 times this will give us 140 by 3 3 4 times is 12 20 and then 3 6 times is 18 all right boy 6 times 18 in a job over so far C is leading right C is leading D the kimon baje D got 300 out of 700 all right so 300 700 into 100 that means 2 0 is cancelled 3 by 7 all right 1 by 7 is what 14.28 that means 14.28 if we multiply with 3 times this will give us 24 2 and then 6 7 8 12 1 and then 4 all right so dv so far one C is leading now we have E the kimon baje E got 400 out of 1000 okay so this can be exactly 40% right so C is winning so 400 divided by 1000 into 100 that means 1 2 1 2 cancel 2 2 times 2 5 times that means again 2 by 5 is what 40% so here sub say more percentage কিমান আছে C আছে that means answer will be what CO all right now question number 5 who among the following employees has minimum ratio of income from error to the income from salary okay that means error or salary law one ratio is low right so let's try this one question number 5 day for A though A la error or salary kiman ase A la error is 200 salary is 400 okay so 200 error salary is 400 now again let's check for B to ki ase B though error is 180 and 200 180 and 200 okay 180 200 ase let's check for C though error kiman ase C la error is 400 our salary 700 okay so 400 700 ase D though let's check again D la kiman ase D laga error though 140 and salary is what 300 so 140 300 E is what E is Error means 250 and 400. All right, so 250, 400. We have 250 here, 400 here. Olivi ratio de mon in our mon kundula kumdiwala se kukuna bro, right? Kilo will 102 times, all right, 201 times, right? 201 times, 2 times, which means, can we say 1 is to 2 to 1 by 2 ligyu parona? Yes. So itu katile 1 0.5 ko parona. Okay. Next one. This one will give us 9 times, 10 times or no? 29 times, 20, 10 times. That means 9 by 10 is nothing but 0.9. Next one is can be cancelled, 20 can be cancelled. That means 4 by 7. All right, 4 by 7 will give us what? Again, 14, 0.28. All right, no worries. Just divide it. Equal, no? 7, 0.0. How much times? 4 times, 5 times. Yes, 5 times will give us 35, 5, 0, and let's take what? 7 times, right? So this will give us 0.57 as a. This is what 0, 0 kadiwo to 15 times and to 7 times. All right. So 7 by 15 to kiman as a. 7 by 15 will be 0 point. That means 0 as a 15. How much times? 5 times. 5 times will be 75. Right. That means 4 times. 4 times will give us 60. And 10 will come here. Another 0 will come here. This will give us, let's say, 15. 4 times is what? 60. And 15. Right. So 0.4. Right. Doesn't matter. 0.9 as in 1. Yes. 0.4. This one will give us 0, 0 kadiwo. 5, 5 times. And 5, 8 times. That means 5 divided by 8 wo, 5 by 8 wo, and this will give us 0 point. That means 0. 8 how much times? 6 times is 48. That means 82 0.6. Yade kundu was a minimum as na minimum the kundu 0.4 one. Yes, 0.4 minimum was na. The rest though 0.5, 0.9, 0.5, 0.4, 0.6. That means 0.4 or 0.4 will be the minimum or no? That means 0.4 lakul lase. D lase no. That means D will be the answer. Yes. Did you get this one? Okay. Might be 0.67. All right. Will be 0.6 as a. So opode 0.4 as na. That means 0.4 do chutu as a. Don't know when bisagla. Right. Chalo. Reasoning take part jao. One. Reasoning day. I want to discuss. Right. First thing first, let's discuss calendar day. Calendar alok discuss korlibo because पहिला time dito, right? Bishi आइदिएको calendar आजिकली नहोते आउँछ but अरू वापस आइलिदो मान्नु बिशीबाट attempt गर्नु नपर्यो त. Yes, because one previous year 3 years previous year ला छैन नै बिशीको question to breathe money our preparation to breathe again. So let's start with calendar, right? Calendar day it one channel use. So listen to this one carefully, right? Calendar day. Calendar, right? Calendar day. This is nothing but repetition of 7 days, isn't it? Repetition of 7 days, is it? Calendar day we know in a year. Excel calendar like that year day we know we have a 12 months. 12 months tagibo inside the month. Sunday or Saturday that means what 7 days as it will repeat kurina ina. That means repetition of 7 days as it. Now salas actually in terms of year we know we have two type, right? One is ordinary year, or the other one is leap year, right? So it was also kila years in one. It was also leap years in way. Leap year do kina na chani bugulido. If it is divisible by 4, right? It will year 2024 as a. So 2024 though, if it is divisible by 4, we can say it's a leap year. Yes. Now, whether to check this one is divisible by 4 or no, Kulido, in terms of 4, last 2 digits are. So 24 lagado must be divisible by 4. Whereas the whole number is divisible by 4. Right. Next one is in terms of century, right? Century means what? When we have 2 0, in place of number 0 theta. So in terms of century, whether we will not check whether it is divisible by 4 or no. We will check whether this is divisible by 400 or no. 400 but divisible in terms of century, we can say it's a leap year. All right. For which Mohala 2000, right? Mohala 2000 there, right? Century as a last Twitter number is 0 to say. That means we have to check whether it is divisible by 400 or no. Yes, 4 5 times. But as it that means 2000 was a leap year. Olivi one our future, right? 2100. This is also century as a. Let's check whether this is a leap year or no. If we divide with this one, 4 bar divide kurule na pare. It 2100 will never be a leap year. Itu ko munjala se. So leap year to century is 2200, 2300, yes, 1900, 1800, and so on. Now, in leap year day, we know we have 366 days as a. Ordinary year day, we know we have 365 days as a. It was all leap year, we have February 29. Yes, ordinary year though, we have only February 28. Now, yade muan agide repetition of 7 days as it. That means 365 days take 1 weeks. So in order to find that one, you just divide the 365 by what? 7. 5 times will give us 35. 1 5. That means 2 times will give us 40. 1 as a. So 52 though 364 one. Yes, 7 52 times is 364. So can we say 52 weeks as a plus remainder kiman as a 1 as a. That means 1 odd day as a. So this odd day is very important, right? Ordinary year so we will multiply with 1 odd day. Yade 52 weeks tagiwo. Yes, if we divide with 7, definitely 52 weeks tagiwo. In our since 1 day extra, that means remainder be 1 day extra. That means 1 plus 1 will give us 2 odd days. So yeah, this one is important. Odd day though important. Every leap year we will multiply with 2, right? With the odd days. Ordinary year day we will multiply with 1. Kili odd day though 1. Now let's try to understand odd day to right? Odd day ki odd day means which has less than 7 number, right? Reminder there 7 by Nijibawan. So odd day though we are dividing with 7 or no. And calendar is nothing but repetition of 7 days. It only 1 7 but divide so as long as 7 or more than 7 we can divide it, right? In our reminder so reminder it's not more than 7 or equal to 7 so that one, all right? So odd day though it was a. So odd day though 0 ge, let us assume Sunday. Or not assume, right? This is universal truth. 1 do Monday se, 2 do Tuesday, 3 do Wednesday, 4 do Thursday, 5 to Friday, 6 to Saturday. All right, okay. 7 actually though, we are going back to Sunday. All right, so 1 to 6 as a. And I've also mentioned earlier that Otegi kun kigi madi ulido, which has less than 7 number. That means 0 ho bare 1 ho bare 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So it be lagi. Now let's learn about month. Right, month divi kinayo. So Monday, though. Let's do with January first. All right, January day we know we have 31 days as a 31 days to if we divide with 7. Yeah, they 31 days to if we divide with 7, 7 4 times is 28 as an. So yeah, they 1 3 pachuan. That means 4 weeks. Remainder is 3 as in that means we can say 3 odd days. Right? February do opine. Kiliguli do leap year or ordinary years. So leap year ordinary year will be 28, leap year will be 29. So 28 day though, ordinary year though, if we divide with 7, it's exactly divisible. Yes, 7 4 times 28, remainder 9. So remainder 9 will do 0 odd day or 29 as will do. Are we getting one remainder? No? So similarly, March day 31 days is a. So 31 days as will do 3 odd day 1 9. Yes, 3 odd days over. April as a. April do 30 days as a. That means Twitter odd days to. Yes, 30 though if we divide with 7, are we getting 2 remainder? Yes, April. Now we have May. May is 31, that means 3 as a. June, all right, June though 30 as a, that means 2 as a. We have July is here. July day 31 days as a, that means 3 odd day 1. August day 31 days as a, that means 3 odd day over. September 30 means 2 as a. October we have 3 as a. November we have 2 as a. And December we have 3 over. Yes. So this is regarding months. All right, months day or days kanazida. Okay. Now let's go back to India 2024 as one. Let's go back to 1 year. Right, 0001. Laga year take per size. Oh. And we have to check. Uh, All right, let's check. 0001 aro 0020 years mature. Kiman leap year se, kiman ordinary year se. Check rule. And for this one, all right, let's with the help of this one, let's try to find 31st December of 0020 do kila day days. All right, 31st December of 0020 year do kila day days. So we know leap year check chronometer do yade 1 century tabi cross no grow because 1 to 20 majority do we don't have 2 zeros. So century 9. So leap year laga check chronometer whether the year is divisible by 4 or no. Forward divide group usually do one ge leap year matibo. So leap year kiman ase? Leap year we have ordinary year. Leap year de 4 ase. Yes. 4 to leap year hoga nai. 8 year be leap year hoga nai. 12 also leap year no. We have 16 and 20. That means 5 ase nai. 5 year will be the leap year. That means the remaining 15 years will be the ordinary year. Ordinary year we know we have 1 odd day. And leap year we know we have 2 odd days. That means 10 plus 15 will give us 25 days as a day. So let's find the odd day. Odd day to keep away there. So we need to divide by 7. That means 25 divided by 7 kulido 3 0 21 yeah the 4 so 4 odd days we are trying to find that the 31st December of 0020 la day na one you do besides na. So you do 4 odd days, it means what? 31st December of 002 do yede 4 kila deze. Thursday is no Thursday by nasna. So you can check, right? It's Thursday. Okay. Now let's try to in order to find our calculation, right? More calculation she asal let's try to find 100, 200, 300, 400 lagam today. Kiman odd days ase. Right? Itu bisa lagi disulit. Definitely, even if it's 2024, more 400 la odd days to pahina zulito. 2024 libi 2000 plus 24 or not 2002. Can we use the 400 la odd day or no? Kili 400 la lua zulito. 2000 is divisible by 400 or no? If it is what 1500, right? 1500 year last way, or maybe let's say 25,000 year, 25,000 year lado one already 50 la chanina zulido. Yes, sorry, 50 not 50 but 500 la chanina zulido. 500 la kiman otes as a itu to 2500 to it's divisible by what 500 as a, so we can find the odd days or no. So similarly, let's find for the first 100 year, right? 100 year mature kiman odd days is. So 1 to 100 mature kiman odd days as we know 1 to 20 to 5 leap years. Yes, 5 leap years. That means leap year are ordinary years. 1 to 20 5 as 5 year. Yes, leap years. And again to another 40 as we have another 5 more. No? That means 10 Hushinan 5 plus 5. Yes, 1 to 40 mature we have 10 leap year. All right. Now again, 40 to 60 mature kiman leap years we have another 5 more. Yes, so 5 more. 1 to 20 we have 5 here. Yes, 21 to 40 dB we have another 5 here. 41 to 60 also we have another 5 leap year, and 61 to 80 we have another 5 leap year. Right now, 81 to 100 day we have only 4 leap year. Kili gulido, see 84 to leap year say, 88 to leap year say, 92 is a leap year, 96 is a leap year, but 100 is not a leap year though. Kili gulido 100 to century is na. So we have to check whether that year is divisible by 400 or no. And 100 is not divisible by 400. It only 100 year though leap year no, right? It only one chata lo ase. So leap year total though we have 24 of it. 24 leap years. Now next one is leap year. Now we have ordinary years. Ordinary year day 24 years as it will do. The remaining 76 years will be ordinary on. Yes. Now yeah, the leap year day we know we have 2 odd days or no. Plus 76 into 1. This will give us 48 plus 76. 48 plus 76. This will give us 4 and 124 days pass na. Well, let's find the odd day. Odd day as we do 124 though. Let's divide it by 7. That means 7 1 times is 7. We have 54. That means 7 7 times is 49. 5 odd day na. That means we are left with 5 odd days. So let's note it here. Right. In terms of 1 to 100 majority, we have 5 odd days. Let's take 1 till 200. Kiman tayo? Odd days to. 1 to 100 majority 5 as you, and we know yeah, the 1 to 200 majority we will come across 2 century. That is 100 or 200 as it. So 100 p not a leap year, and even 200 also it will not be a leap year. No, Kilimanole it's not divisible by 400. It one 1 into 100. Sorry, 100 years 5 leap years 5 odd days in so 200 to kiman times 100 2 times or no. Then 100 2 times will give us what 200 Indonesia 5 2 times will give us 10 days. Only 10 days as we do. 1 odd day is na. Odd day though, in order to find the odd day, we will divide by 7 or no, and we will take the remainder. That means if we divide by 7, 1 week we say remainder of 3 odd days. 3 odd days. Similarly for 1 to 300, right? 300 means Itu 300 year be not a leap year. It only one equal count no. Now 100 day 5 odd days as a 300 means what 100 three times. So 55 into 3 times will give us what 15 or no? 15 days paise. 15 days paise. Yate 2 weeks ho na 7 pa kati shuli do 2 weeks 14. Kiman odd day ho? 1 odd day pa ki ho na. Yes, 1 to 400. This will give us what? 500 day 5 I say 400 means what? 100 into 4. 5 into 4 will give us 20. Will be 20 days no because we did not check the 400 year laga whether that's a leap year or no. Now 400 year though, it's divisible by 400 or no? Yes, 400 year. Utula 400 saldo, it's divisible by 400. So century we are checking whether it's divisible by 400 or no, and it's divisible for which utula year also a leap year or no. That means we will add one. Taliwan to yade 21 days per one. 21 days as a kiman odd days as a day. If we divide by 7, remainder kiman as a gulido, remainder will be 0 no, because 21 is exactly divisible by 7 or no. So remainder 0 is so 0 odd day as a in a go. Olivero, yes. So this one is important. Once a new lagi. Itudo kilishigai gulido to understand how to find 1 to 100 in a kiman ij. Pujai di unimine shigalaze. We have to know this man also. Right, man lagi and now itu this one days or day laga lagi, and we have to know some idea, right? How to find leap year, right? Leap year to divisible by 4 lagi, century holido 4 per divisible lagi. We know leap year day we have 2 odd days. Ordinary year day we have 1 odd days, right? Monday, January do 3 odd days as a February do ordinary years will lose 0 odd day. Leap year means 1 odd day. So with the help of this one, let's try to find today's date laga. Right, Achila date. Achila date to kila day. Right, we know it's Wednesday, but let's check. So today's date is what? Oh, it's 16. So 16 October 2024 as a aro kila day. Which day? Right, which days? Let's check. So first thing first, we have to check the year is a leap year or not. Tumuan itu do century deny. That means we have to check whether it's divisible by 4 or no. Now whether it's a divisible by 4 or no in a check group, we can do it just by checking the last 2 digits, right? In terms of 4 as it is. So 24 though it's divisible by 4. That means 2024 is a leap year. Hence February day we will have 1 odd day, right? That means leap years. First thing first, we know it's a leap year. Next though, yeah, day 1 2024 though liku na bro. Kili manoli 2024 ends only on 31st December of 2024 no. Idwane 1 2024 aro kutumane. Idwane yade we will take only 2023 takilo. Plus January aibo. Iti October is not. That means January aibo. Now 2023 means what? 31st December of 2023. And now not January, February. 2024 la January, February has it. So January we have February, we have March, we have April, we have May, we have June, we have July, we have August, we have September, and October we know. October also ends what? On 31st October no? To October complete on it. We are in 16 of it. That means 16 doing liquido. All right. Yade 2023. Now the reason why we search right one kili to search in order to make our calculation more simpler. Yade mo chanina say 400 year day 0 otis na. That means 400 per divisible whole number tasna na yade. Yes, we have 2000 plus 23 na we cover 2023. Now yade in place of 2000 can, since this one is divisible by 400, we can say 0 otte because 1 to 100 1 to 400 year majority 0 odd days ase. Yes, 1 to 300 majority we have 1 odd day. Itu janina ase. So if the year is divisible by 400, then moala 400 day kiman odd day ase. Itu chulao. Now we know 400 day we have 0 odd day. Plus January do we know it's 3, February do 1 aibo kili manually do leap year ase. And October also 3, April is 2, May is 3, June is 2, July is 3, August is 3, September is 2, plus 16 I will. Now yedi 0 as a 2000 to 0 wo it's divisible by 400, and we know 400 year day we have 0 odd days. Olivi yede 23 majority kiman leap year as a or kiman ordinary year as a. We have to know that one. That means 1 to 23 majority leap year ki as we do 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 as in night. That means pasta. Leap year day we know we have 2 odd days, right? Plus ordinary year day the remaining 5 year to leap years will be out of 23. Remaining 18 will be what? 18 will be ordinary year. Ordinary year day we know we have only 1 odd day. Plus let's plus this one, all right? Plus will we do? This will give us what? 5, 5, 10, 15, 15, and we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 or no? 22 plus 16 will give us 38, all right? 38 as it. Now 0 to nalage, 5 to the 10, jane 1, yedi 18 as a plus 38 one. Now here, this will give us what? 28 as a plus 38 as a. Now this will give us how much? 16. This will give us 66 days. Yes, 66 days. 66 days as we do. Let's find the odd day. Right, odd day though if we divide by 7. 66 though if we divide by 7. 7 9 times is 63 as a reminder. 3 as that means 3 odd days as in now 3 ke kilate money na se. Yadi 3 day opore yadi 3 day it's Wednesday as in yes, and hence today also Wednesday as a. So the answer is Wednesday as a day. Right. So with the help of this one in a Purilo, right? You can give it a check. Paper check, Ruby. All right. Now here. Calendar itula questions kila days in a way. Right. The next one though. Itula right this year 2024 la saldo kila year the same calendar to low paribo in a way. Right. So you keep this in mind, right? Yade Mogan to leap year day 1 odd day. Oh sorry, leap year day 2 odd day or ordinary year day 1 odd day. So in the same calendar, right? Same calendar, kila year day. I will same calendar though, which year? Alright, in our question line usually though. Let's say 2025, right? 2025 laga calendar though. Ordinary year is na ito. Ordinary year wala na year. Right, ordinary year de 2025 la calendar ki laga year de same itula calendar chulo paru boli do. See 2026, 2027, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030. Right. Yet we know 2026 is a ordinary year. Right, ordinary year, I say that means ordinary year we know we have one odd day or no. 2027 is an ordinary year, it only one odd day. 2028 to leap year is na. This is divisible by 4 no. Leap year di kiman odd day ase. Tuita ase. 29 di kiman ase 1 ase. 30 di kiman ase 1 ase. Now we'll go till 2031. Yadi bi leap year no ina ordinary year is na. Ordinary year means what? One odd day is na. So mo 2025 la calendar do will be same, right? 2031 day be it will same calendar chulo paribo. Concept to ki ase boli do itu odd days laga na so plus huina kitia 7 punct ase utula time de utula year do one calendar same chulo paribo, right? Only be in terms of leap year do ina noide. In terms of leap year do only after 28 years, right? Just right 28 years, right? 28 years lagi dibi. 28 years de ho. That means 2024 do one leap year se. So 2024 do same calendar do kite ho boli do plus 2024 plus 28 kori do 2052 de one 2024 de chulala calendar do chulo paro. Right, so keep this in mind. So calendar do iman tan topic tangori noy, but conceptual questions kan ayo, right? So look smarter we. That's it. All right. Now next topic ne. Next topic to hotai ahada kala. All right. Hotai ahada kala topic ikato kuribo. And do one previous year questions ay na nai. Previous year questions kan sa do itula questions can be ahidegi. Right. Itu type. See, this is called word formation and logical order of word city. Okay. All right. Yes. All right. So in your word, I will. Iman tambin no eh. Iduki was a word is given in capital letter. It is followed by four words. All of these four words, three can be formed from the letters of the word in the capital letters. Point out the word which cannot be formed from the letters of the given word in capital letters. So mola word to itula word ase. Yes. Tigina ase. Okay. This word te one alphabets takagan. Options te chada tigina ase. Tinta ekla de chulaina ase. Iti takagan alphabet kan. Ekta dido yedi natagala alphabet pi ekta chulaina ase. Itu kundu ase. Question do itu ase. Now we can clearly say it's never or not because V do nine way. V do yede utula word te alphabet te V nine way. Yes, so we can say it's never or not right away. All right. Similarly, next one. All right. Next one. Next one be Q. Yes, it's a Q. Give me the answer. Yeah. C wala nai. Kile manile C de one K nine way. Yes, utula word te we can find the alphabet letter K. So C will be the answer. Right. C the answer. Okay. Now we know this one. Next one is uh right. In every correct. Question number three. Question number three. So in your type, actually be free marks is it? Right. So this is very scoring. Iku kan formula kan iku nai. Jadi tangan bro kodo arrange the following words according to the dictionary. Dictionary ahanishna udula sabde word kando mon arrange kuru. So dictionary we know alphabet letter A first agibo and B, C, D ina ayase. So yade option dan diado 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pasta di ina. Now we can clearly see that GRA are also to GRA those of the pasadi bise. We have here GRA, we have GRA, 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 GRA. Only we fourth letter rahe one difference was it. The S as the N as the S as the B as the B as. Yes. So S N B de kundu first letter as we do N as na. Nah, N first I will know. That means this one will be what? 2. So money 5 itu options 1 and 2 though rejected as a yes, it can be either 3 or 4. So n first ayo n bgde ki ayo b ayo na nai. So b yede twitter dese. Okay. And means yede twitter dese ulido grab same as a next letter kisi ekta the h ekta the e as a. So e comes first, right? Alphabet letter e will first come first. E will come first and then H. That means 5 as a. Okay, 5, 4. So can you say it's 3 or no? 5, 1, 2, 1 is what? S as a. So B comes first I know B first have S I will. So we can say 3 is the answer. All right. Then what about for this one? For the other Q. Yeah. We can say right away what? 2 as equal right? Because RE the sub the SA, then third letter right change को ऐसे then request take Q as a revenge the V as a refresh F I as a and the other one's what D as a that means F will come first or no? Then the answer will be what options 2 the first one na option 2 the first one na kili manale alphabet letter de type first seven na yes the 3 takado itu ikla dese hence the answer is option number 2. Okay. Now itulah type P I go pare. Right. So read this question and try to answer it right. This one we have. This is 5. Arrange the following word in a logistic order. Result আছে, written exam আছে, advertisement আছে, কি হব? So these words can do selection আছে এতে, okay. 5 is selection, right? Option. All right, yes, one is the answer, I think. Kile manala advertisement first solavo, individually exam likiwo, and then what? Result like na, we'll go for interview and we'll get selection on. Yes. All right. Okay. So it wala I take which is very easy, but anyone look niti na actually to kuna questions take the jala say let's go to another topic, right? Okay. Now symbols and notation be let's try one question. All right, let's try one question. Suppose in a way, right? In a way, we go no. Symbols and notation topic kasi ito. So yeah, they key was if plus stands for division, right? That means option A, B, C, T tagade plus tagan sob de division change kruvo. Into tagade sob de plus change kruvo minus tagade multiplication change kruvo. Division tagade minus change kruvo. Right. So we have to check. So let's check A. A do 36 আছে into the কোন কি চেঞ্জ কৰিব আছে প্লাস চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব 6 আছে প্লাস তে 1 প্লাস তে 1 কি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব ডিভাইড চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব না নাই ডিভাইড আছে 7 ডিভাইড তে 1 কি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগে ডিভাইড 1 মাইনাস চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব না নাই 2 মাইনাস তে 1 কি চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগে মাইনাস তে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন হ'ব না নাই into 6 is equal to 20. That means 1 put must rule first to load put must rule to line group. Right. That means yede bracket ase of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction ase. Yede division will come first or no? That means 36 plus 6 by 7 minus division that means 2 6 times what 12. All right, this will never get 20. All right, one fraction as it's not divisible again. So let's check option B also. Option B do kinawo. Option B do. Right, option B though we have 36 divide to key change kor lagibo divide to minus key change kor lagibo so minus ase 6 plus to 1 division 3 into the key into the mogan plus 1 and yes. Okay. Division stands for, all right. Into stands for plus. Division stands for minus. All right. Minus 6. Plus stands for what? Plus stands for division. And 3. Multiplication stands for plus minus. All right. 5 minus 2 key stand for minus means into. So into 3 is equal to 45. Let's check this one. So this means 36 minus 6 by 3 plus 15 over 9. And this one will give us what? 2 times. So this will also never 45 equal no. Right. Let's check C. C check করলে 36 আছে plus 2 1 division লব 6 আছে minus k কি লব লাগে minus k we will take multiplication or no? Yes, 3 multiplication means what? Plus আছে and 5 আছে and division stands for what? Minus 3 is equal to 24 লাগিব so 36 divided by 6 into 3 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 24. 6 times, right? 6 3s are 18 plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 24. So this will never give our equal number, right? Let's check D. 36 as a minus stands for what? Minus stands for multiplication. 6 plus stands for what? Division. 3 into stands for what? Into stands for plus as a 5. Division stands for what? Minus 3 is equal to 74. Let's check, right? So 36 into 6 divide will come first plus 5 minus 3. So this will give us what? 3 2 times. Then this will give us how much? 72. And it will relay plus 5 minus 3. Are we getting 74 or no? 74 by 74. That means answer is what? D as a. Answer is D. Yeah. So the one actually be it's very easy to do, right? The one calculation is missing no be. It is a okay. So we're done with what Silox to Kalipuru, right? Syllogism Kalipuru. Okay. আজিকালি টাইম দে buzzers question be all of digi dage. Let's try one question, right? Author ranking bra. I should do. Let's try to know. Right. So this is again all of logical over like okay. So in a class, K is 25 from the top and J is 17 from the bottom. If there are 6 students between K and J, then what will be the minimum number in the queue? All right. So looks interesting. I'll give you 30 seconds. Give it a try. Yeah, this is reasoning. Five-minute break. Is it too much or what? All right, give it a try. All right, 48, 46. Right, let's check. Nay. Yete minimum was it? Q the minimum was it? Maximum. No, ina. Right. So, only my maximum or minimum be tigaitu. Right. Yete one, let's try to find first the maximum. Question di hote na only maximum be bujina gilu. K is 25 from the top. That means top yete se. Right. Yete rank 1, let's say not in terms of rank, right? First, second, third, fourth in yado 25 videos you. So yede K buina se. Next one though. Even J is 17 from the bottom. So let's say this is bottom. It will 1, 2, 3 na count kora na. In yado yede 17 to yede is equal. That means yede J is equal. And according to the question, it says 6 students between K and J. Yede be mano choita is equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6 of them. Right. So this case though, maximum number in the queue. Kile manole Mugan J arrow K be intersect group or in every group or one K do yeti right arrow in every J be ne group it be manu choosing or pu. Yes. So this one is in terms of maximum ase. Mikki manu olido 25 plus 6 plus 17 will give us how much? 31, 48, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 48. Will be one minimum what is the question there? So minimum to kina pizza olido aki requirement in ya overlap creative. Yes. So let's check. Top two yet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in another. Let's say 25 is here, and here is K. Now from the bottom, it was could be 1, 2, 3, 4 in another. Let's say yate 17 to the right. It is 17, which is what? J is in a so Olivia yate down division module from here till here. Right. Yate kiman chona se manu chosen point na yes manu chosen point na to chosen to kun se opor actually to yate 24, 23, 22, 21. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 and 19 hona na. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 wala de. 18 wala de. J do Nichuba Sajuli do Nichuba Sadam do J do 17 position there say, which is 18 position from the top one. Yes, 17. Nichuba J do 17 as a Olivi Opura do Kimon position there is there. It will be Chanimu like you. Yes, to Nichura Adam de 17 as a and it says J arrow K majority Manu Chojin as it was a to Manu Chojin as a that means Opura ite 25 Tado Nichidi Manu Chojin Pilawana 24 as a 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. 6 of them. So 6 of them as a that means 18 position from the top de J to Buinas J to Buina which is 17 from the bottom, which is 17 from the bottom, right? Which is 17 from the bottom. So you're there, which is 17 from the bottom of one. Yes. So bottom bra nichura do 17 ase, holibi opurba ado J do 18 ase. Manu kiman chun ase guli do nichura count korna ase 117 tak ase. Aro taila opur kiman chun dagibo. That means yate kiman chun daguli do 18 opurba do 18 ase na. That means taila opure 17 of them dagibo na. So 17 plus 17 will give us what? 17 plus 17 will give us 34, no? Yes. Now you can check from the top also. No harm. Top check residual. Right. Top check residual. Top pra imanta k do kiman di 25 te ase. To 25 to bottom pra kiman di ase. We have to know. And there's a hint that j or k majority manu chojin ase. So yede 16 hobo, yede 15 hobo, 14, 13, 12, 11. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Itu ase. To yede kiman ase? 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Right. So ये दे 10 होगा ना नहीं? 10 दे K तो पूरी ना ताकि ना नहीं? Upper वाला 25 वाजे, but निचीबरा साइजुली दो K तो 10 दियो ना नहीं? तो upper वाला कौन ग्रोसे 25 वाजे, which is 10 position from the bottom. ताले निचीरी की मान जुंदा यो 9 जुंदा यो ना नहीं? So again 25 plus 9 also will give us 34 no? Hence the answer is 34. All right. Now, if you dig none of this and D, negative pi Luciano. All right, right. Okay. So you want one more from the order ranking? Let me give you one. All right. Question number 2. So in a class, we have 90 students. Okay. Try this one. Try this one. Yeah. Minimum mazulito one overlap kurtu like what? Maximum kurtu one overlap no kurtu, right? No lie. Yeah. 26. All right. Now answer to A, B, C, D, E, major vector to you. Right. So let's check. In a class of 90 students, the number of girls are twice that of the number of boys. Now, even in reasoning, ratio and proportion low by shape. All right. Total 90 students as a. Yade girl as a, boy as a. Girl is twice that the number of boys. That means boys to one part as a little. Twice means what? Yade 3,000. So out of 90 there, 3,000 kiman ho? Yade 2 plus 1 to 3 as in way. So 90 to in the part 30 each or no? That means one part will be what? 30. The other one will be 61. Yep. Okay. Now from here. We have Mr. Kisaf, right? A boy. Right, Mr. K. Mr. K has a rank 19 from the top. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে so top যেতেছে 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ini ada 19 we have Mr. K itu যেতেছে this is what a guy, right? Right. Now Kisaf boy ranked 90 from top. If there are 15 girls ahead of Kisaf, right? So rank tido number tango wala do iman mutal na wala. Yes, rank tido number chido ani mutal wala je. That means ahead of Mr. K means yete one 15 girls asin nai. To kiman boys tagibo. 4 boys huna nai. Sorry, 4 boys. 15 girls asin 4 boys huna nai. Including Mr. K. Right. Ton puzzle ka just right. 3 boys. Kilimanjaro 18 to Nazilo, 18 of them are there. Including K, it's 19 of them. 15 girls ahead of him Golido, 15 girls Lido. 3 more boys will be there if he is included. That means 4 boys. Yes. So ina jado 90 tak China sina. How many boys are after him in rank? After him means what? Now we know 4 boys to already gone. Yes. So remaining kiman jud nagibo? 26 boys tagibo na. Hence the answer is 26. Did you get this one? All right. Okay. Okay. One last more. One last more. I feel like this thing though important, right? I mean important as even as itu iklan to prove. Okay. Any questions play over? We don't have the options. Okay. Options did you mo? All right. See, 6% A, B, C, D, E, F as A and has a different height. Now height there, 1, something number wala, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth or no? Yes. Okay. So according to the question ki was it? D is taller than E. Right. So D is taller than E. N means we're talking about first person, right? N. But we're talking about first person. And who, whom, right? Who's this thing? We're talking about second person. So here N means we're talking about first person, which is D shorter than B. That means D is shorter than B. All right. A is taller than C. A is taller than C and shorter than B. That means A is shorter than B. F is taller than D. F is taller than D. Okay. So F is taller than D. All right. B is not the short tallest. That means yadi number one day B kita be naibo. The second tallest height is 190 centimeter. That means let's take 190 centimeters. And the second shortest is 140. That means it is 140 as a second shortest. Right. The height of C is 152. Okay. Height of C is 152. Okay. So C will come under this two or no? Yes, 152 means 140 or 150 la major taigo. That means C at the IO. Right. I think this is the information. So as I do. Right. So let's check. We have two possibility for Mr. C. Right. C can be here, C can be here. If C is here, yade C la opore, A arrow C take lagi. That means A la opore B take lagi. But this is wrong or no? Kile manole yade B naibo. That means this is wrong. That means yade A arrow B do opay nai I will like pain means. Now again, B la nijide D and E as in that means nijide we have B la nijide D arrow E the nai. This one. And F is taller than D. That means F to taller than D means it is. Now question is asking who among the following person is the second shortest. That means D is the answer or no? Second shortest or no? This one will be the answer. All right. Did you get this one? Yeah. Yeah. D is the answer. All right. Okay. Now here. In case mirror or what the image like you know this one, right? Mirror image there. Right? So mirror do in a that means one to mirror the best question do mirror the kinati mirror the do it's what? Reciprocal, right? Oh no, sorry. It's not reciprocal, it's opposite. So opposite means inauna inantiyo. Right? Mirror de. Ulta do nugru de. Suppose if you have let's say J to mirror de J, that means this one becomes like this. You're getting? Next one to kise. Let's say 2, right? 2 will be what? Something like this. Ina pajam. Mirror de. This is mirror matches de. Mirror de. Mirror de na you. So it's opposite. So question example they might give you a diagram or maybe in terms of a word apple in a video to apple do mirror the kinetic you. Right. So sob to opposite hobo lagi. So just remember this word opposite, right? Now in terms of water mesh taking ho. Water mesh te ulta ase ulta reciprocal ase to. Only opposite nahi hote. That's it. What the image take if A is here? Image to nichibali digo. That means opposite means what? Reciprocal means it was. If question one daise. One to what the image signet digo lito. Inyase holibi one opalinyase. That means it the sign be opalite go de. Left side take left side go. It do opposite no go. If you write, if you dig this one, in the question, this is wrong. Right, this is right. It right as. Let's say what? Right. So this is you, right? So water mix ina digo lito, ina digo. Right. So keep this in mind. The water match and mirror match. In case if question comes from these two topic, they will definitely give a word, right? Word no libi diagram ita digo. Tadira one itu opposite kulito mirror devo water is reciprocal libi. Okay. All right.
Tuhan jam ni cuba di.
All right, Sasha, please off your microphone. All right, thank you. Okay. Okay, let's do direction then. Hey, direction interpretation. So tomorrow we'll do silox, plot relation, coding, decoding, right? Some puzzles. Questions are cool. Okay, and some number series question be cool. Right. So let's do one question, one, two questions from direction. Concept channel like it. Right now I don't think I have. Right. Okay. Right, before going there, right? Logical Venn diagram be actually though. Right. Logical Venn diagram actually. I will give you only one question, right? Just to understand you. So I think last year now, right, previous year question day, I think I saw this type of question. Right. This is called logical Venn diagram. Correct. So this means what? Which of the following figure represents the relationship among sun, moon, and molecule? Can you give me the answer? Four. All right. Three. Three. Oh, we have two. Three hobo nagi. Hobo pare. Right. Okay. Okay. So here the concept to it was it. One is the classification মই আগে দি কোৱা নিচিনা না day 1 2 3 মাজৰে তাতে মই classification ৰ কথা কৈ না থাকিব so classification to you do by yourself right classification to মই তোমাক কি কৈছি না নাই right so ইয়াতে মই অলপ তো knowledge থাকিব লাগে দেই so মই জানে sun আৰু moon do they cannot share yes share kuru na pare. So it one to share kura la na. So it will be cancel. It will be cancel ase. Sun and moon cannot be share. So sun be different ase. Moon be alag ase. But sun or moon do molecule ase na nahi. Molecule ase na. That means molecule la pitore sun or moon do jaigo. Which three is the answer? Alright. This looks interesting. Let's do one more then. Alright. Easy one. I will give you easy one. What about this one? Give me quick answer. Just take only 5 seconds. One. Yeah. All right. We have two. Okay. So see, day, week, year to kids. In a year, we have week under the day, you know. Yes. So day is the smallest one. Week would be over the day. No, no, over the year, so one will be the answer, right? Kilimanoli year day, 1 week be day be under the. All right. So it all the questions it type actually to message no right. আজিকালি রিজনিং কে নতুন নতুন আহি থাকে right নতুন নতুন কিসম আহি থাকে all right okay so before going to direction do we have alpha yes right you do let me give you one question from alpha numeric series right we have to know this one also let's do two questions from here okay so this is the question these are the element right element though it one is it amount of is element last this is question number one okay so one tani lagi right element ko ase guli to symbol alphabet numbers of count kore we have to know word suppose word la you will be word name one alphabet channel lagi alphabet consonant alphabet la under the we have consonant we have vowels ase number la under we have odd and even ase prime number be ase right we have to know these stuffs. Question number one says, which of the following will be 16 element to the right of the fifth element from the left end? Always start from the last row, right? So left end ko ase, left end kutu ase. It was no left end ase na ito. Left end ase. So left end to fifth element kun ase kulito element ase kulito sub count group na nai. Fifth number quasulido, we will only count the number, right? Fifth alphabet quasulido, we will count all the only the alphabet. Only the element we will mix everything. So fifth element means 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth as now 16 element to the right quasi, that means fifth element la right side to kundu side as it side to right as so we will take 16 element. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 as you do 16 as that means the answer is D. Which of the following alphabet is the 6 to the right of the 20th element from the right end? यदि भी last prior right end 20th quasi. Yeah, right. So exam de 12 no prove do. This is not 12, right? 20th means 20. So right end price you will do 1 element was na. So stop prove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So at the rate is 20. 6 to the right quasi, that means right to itu side one and right p. Left as you to side one. Yes, to right to 6 to the right quasi, that means will come from here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Now here, see. Alphabet quasi na 6 alphabet. That means we will not count the number. So 6 to the right means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 or no. That means X will be the answer or no? X will be the answer. Clear? So it will a question pick tha ishe naki? Right. Previous year question with digi. All right. So I will give you a homework. Yes. End of the question. Yeah. Always start from the end of the question, right? So I'll give you 1, 2 questions. You can try. All right. Let me give you some questions. All right. No, we will do it now. We will do it now. Now, since it will questions can aha shuru kurje, it will give alpha numeric series kuri. Okay. So 1 I'll do, 2 do homework review. Right. Okay. Now here. How many samples are there in the above series that are immediately followed by a number? Okay. So samples as immediately followed by a number, that means number ito tayo lagi. Right, but not immediately preceded by an alphabet. Yate alphabet nalagi mo one. One alphabet nalagi. In place of alphabet, it can be symbol or it can be number. Itu taka symbol ki man ase. So we have to check. Right, did you get this one? How many symbols are there in the above series that are immediately followed by a number? See, symbol though followed by a number, right? But not immediately preceded by a alphabet quasi. That means it is alphabet now. Will be sample or number we will count that one. Alright, so let's take sample or number. So we have here sample and uh, alphabet, so we will not count that one. Sample and number is here, but preceded by alphabet or no. So again, we will not count this one. Next one is we have sample and number, but again, this is alphabet. We will not count sample number. No, sample number say only the alphabet say, so we will not count sample alphabet say. We will not count sample and alphabet say. We will not count. We need sample and number, right? It is sample say, but nine number nine. It is sample say number nine. So examine nine for which answer will be what? D. Right. So which of the following will be the third number to the left of the 11 alphabet from the left hand to give me the answer quickly then. Homework no na. Right, ite kulo. How comes V? All right. V cannot nice. It says what? 16 element to the right of the fifth element from the left hand. We'll start from the left hand brochure group, which is 5 element. 5 element means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or no? 5 it is. The right side will be what? T square or no? So 16 jabo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 to V deposit no? Yes. For which answer was P? 5. None of the above. Which of the following will be the third number of to the left of the 11 alphabet from the left hand? All right. Left hand, bra, 11 alphabet. 1, yes. 2, we'll count this one also. I think this is 0. Or this is what? O. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You, they, 9 alphabet. Say third number to the left. Tyler left, the third number is what? We have 8, 5, and we have 3 or no? Yes. Then answer will be what? None of the above. Yes, none of the above. All right. 3 passing. Right. So direction to one Kali learn group for sure. Right. So direction discuss group. We will talk about blood relation, syllogism, coding, decoding. All right. These things Kali la class 10 discuss group, right? And we will do some puzzles, right? If we get time. All right. Oh, is it 11 alphabet? All right, right. I got it only 9, right? Okay, okay. What I so this is 9. Okay, this was 9. Then 10, 11 is here. All right. So 11 I say. So the third alphabet is 5. Yes. Answer is 5. All right, B. Yeah, they 11. N is 11 I say. Tyler left the third number means 1, 2. And this is 5 is the answer. Right. 5 is the answer. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. E is for security. All right. You want some negative mark? Um, Tomorrow will be our last class for CSAT, right? So we'll discuss more topics, right? Kalila class 2, it will be more important. Clearly, all the important topics, reasoning part, we'll be discussing, right? Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night.